The Dassault Mirage 2000 is a French multirole, single-engine fourth-generation fighter jet developed by Dassault Aviation. It is one of the most iconic and successful fighter aircraft of the late 20th century, known for its exceptional performance, advanced avionics, and versatility. It was designed in the 1970s as a replacement for the Mirage III, a successful but aging fighter jet. The new aircraft was intended to be a more advanced multirole fighter capable of performing a wide range of missions, including air superiority, ground attack, and reconnaissance. The first prototype, the Mirage 2001, made its maiden flight on March 10, 1978. The production version, the Mirage 2000C, entered service with the French Air Force in 1985. The Mirage 2000 has a sleek, delta-wing design with a distinctive sharp nose and a long, pointed fuselage. The aircraft is constructed primarily of aluminum alloys, with some composite materials used in non-structural components. The airframe is designed to withstand high G-forces and features a unique delta canard configuration, with a small, wing-like surface, the canard, located ahead of the main delta wing. This design provides exceptional stability and maneuverability. The Mirage 2000 is powered by a single Snecma M53 P2 turbofan engine, which produces 64.3 kilonewtons, 14,500 pounds force, of thrust in afterburner mode. The engine features a high bypass compressor, a single-stage turbine, and a variable geometry nozzle. The M53 P2 engine provides exceptional performance, with a thrust-to-weight ratio of approximately 7.1. The engine is also highly reliable, with a mean time between failures, MTBF, of over 2,000 hours. This French fighter jet features a sophisticated avionics suite, including radar, Thompson CSF, now Thales, RDM, radar Doppler multifunction radar, which provides air-to-air and air-to-ground modes, including terrain following and mapping capabilities. Electronic warfare. The aircraft is equipped with a comprehensive electronic warfare (EW) system, featuring radar warning receivers, chaff and flare dispensers, and a towed decoy system. The Mirage 2000 has a fly-by-wire FBW flight control system, which provides exceptional stability and maneuverability. This fighter jet features an inertial navigation system, INS, which combines data from accelerometers, gyroscopes, and GPS to provide precise navigation and targeting information. The Mirage 2000 is equipped with a secure communication system featuring UHF and VHF radios, as well as a data link system for communication with other aircraft and ground stations. The Mirage 2000 can carry a wide range of armament, including two 30mm DEFA 5.53 cannons with 125 rounds per gun. It can carry a variety of air-to-air missiles, including the Magic II, Super 530F, and Mike missile d'interception, de combat et d'autodéfense. The Mirage 2000 can carry a range of unguided and guided bombs, including the Mk82, Mk83, and GBU-12 Paveway 2. It can also carry rocket pods, including the Matra JL-100 and the SNEB, Société Nouvelle des Établissements Boudin, Type 23. The Mirage 2000 has exceptional performance characteristics, including a maximum speed of Mach 2.2, 2,400 km/h or 1,500 mph at high altitude, a service ceiling of 18,000 meters and a range of approximately 1,500 kilometers, 932 miles, with a 1,000 kg, 22.5 lb payload. Its climb rate is 280 meters per second, 55,000 feet per minute, and a turn rate of 29 degrees per second. Variants. Several variants of the Mirage 2000 have been produced, including Mirage 2000C, the initial production version with a single-seat cockpit and a focus on air superiority missions; Mirage 2000B, a two-seat trainer version with a slightly reduced radar and avionics suite; Mirage 2000D, a variant optimized for ground attack missions with a more advanced avionics suite and a range of precision-guided munitions; Mirage 2005, an advanced variant with a more powerful engine, improved radar, and enhanced avionics; Mirage 2009, a variant used by the United Arab Emirates, with a more advanced radar and avionics suite, as well as a range of precision-guided munitions. Operators. The Mirage 2000 has been operated by several countries, including France. The French Air Force and French Navy operate a total of approximately 260 Mirage 2000s. India. The Indian Air Force operates a fleet of Mirage 2000H and Mirage 2000TH aircraft. United Arab Emirates. The UAE Air Force operates a fleet of Mirage 2009 aircraft. Greece. The Hellenic Air Force operates a fleet of Mirage 2000EG and Mirage 2000BG aircraft. Taiwan. The Republic of China Air Force operates a fleet of Mirage 2005EI and Mirage 2005DI aircraft. The Dassault Mirage 2000 is an exceptional fighter jet, known for its exceptional performance, advanced avionics, and versatility. With its sleek delta-wing design, powerful engine, and sophisticated avionics suite, this fighter jet has become a legendary aircraft with a reputation for being one of the most effective and reliable fighter jets in the world. It has a remarkable combat record with several notable operations. Gulf War, 1991. French Mirage 2000s flew air superiority missions and conducted ground attack operations, showcasing their versatility. They successfully intercepted Iraqi aircraft and destroyed radar installations. Kargil War, 1999. Indian Air Force Mirage 2000s delivered precision-guided bombs at high altitudes, neutralizing enemy positions in the Himalayas. Balakot Airstrike, 2019. The Indian Dassault Mirage 2000 fighter jets struck terrorist training camps deep inside Pakistan, demonstrating their ability to conduct deep penetration strikes. Libya, 2011. The French and UAE Mirage 2000 jets participated in NATO-led operations, enforcing a no-fly zone and striking ground targets with precision. Afghanistan. This fighter jet was deployed for close air support and reconnaissance missions, leveraging their ability to operate in challenging environments. Recent engagements, Dassault Mirage 2000, have also been used in various conflicts, including Ukraine, where they've demonstrated their capabilities in air superiority and ground strike roles. The Mirage 2000's combat performance highlights its multi-role capabilities, air superiority, ground attack, reconnaissance, and nuclear deterrence. It delivers laser-guided bombs and precision-guided munitions. It has an advanced avionics system including radar systems and electronic warfare capabilities. Its versatility is seen in diverse environments, from high-altitude combat operations to low-level strikes. The Dassault Mirage 2000 remains a formidable multi-role fighter jet, but whether it's truly irreplaceable depends on context and perspective. While it's a highly capable aircraft with advanced avionics and weaponry, its age and limitations might make replacement or supplementation with newer jets like the Dassault Rafale or F-35 necessary for some air forces. Some countries, like France, are gradually replacing their Mirage 2000s with more modern aircraft like the Rafale. For instance, the French Air Force operates around 30 Mirage 2000-5Fs, with plans to eventually phase them out in favor of the Rafale. However, the Dassault Mirage 2000 versatility, maneuverability, and combat capabilities still make it valuable in various roles, including air defense interception missions of enemy aircraft and missiles. Ground attack missions where it delivers precision-guided munitions and tactical reconnaissance missions. In Ukraine's case, the Mirage 2000s donated by France will enhance their air defense capabilities, particularly against Russian aircraft and cruise missiles. Ukrainian pilots have been trained to operate these jets, which are equipped with advanced missiles like the Mica and Scalp EG. Given its capabilities and the ongoing upgrades, the Mirage 2000 will likely remain a relevant player in military aviation for years to come, even if it's not entirely irreplaceable.